Next is permutation. Now what is permutation? Permutation is each of different arrangement that can be made by taking or all of a number of things is called permutation. Here you have to remember that in other section or other in counting section we have explained the digits are repeated, right? But in permutation the digits never repeated. Digits will be never repeated. The digits can be used only one times. Now so to understand permutation, see an example. The example is given that if there are three things, let A, B and C, then the permutation of three things taking two at a time. Two at a time means we can select any two of the three things. Let's take A and B. Then AB can be arranged in two ways, AB and BA. Now we can select A and C. Then the arrangement will be AC and CA. Also we can select B and C. Then the arrangement will be BC and CB. Now here all the arrangements are all different, right? Thus total number of arrangement will be 6. Thus total number of permutation of three things taking two at a time will be 6. Now if the digits or number of things is very large, then we cannot, or it will be difficult to arrange these or calculate the number of permutation. So we have to find expression for the permutation. Now that gives us the first formula. The first formula is the number of permutation of n different things, all distinct, taken r at a time. The value of r always will be less equals to n. Either n এর থেকে ছোট হবে না হলে n এর থেকে n এর সমান হবে. Is denoted by p of nr or npr, defined by npr, which is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Now কি করে এই এক্সপ্রেশনটা এসে এবার আমরা সেটা দেখব. দেখো here n things are given, okay, and as we select r things from n things and arranged it in a row or some manner, then the places will be r places, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 up to r times. So if we consider the things and placed it the places, so we can select one things from n things in n ways and placed it the first position. So first position can be filled up by n different ways. As the first position is filled up, then here one things already placed. The second position have only n minus 1 things to place, right? As one things is placed in each of these n ways, right? So second place can be filled in n minus 1 ways. Now after one and first and second place is filled up by n into n minus 1, this n into n minus 1 comes from the counting. As two successive events happen, first successive event happens in n ways, second successive event happens in n minus 1 ways. So after filling up first position and second position, the third position can be filled in n minus 2 ways. In similar ways, so see the relation. When third place is placed, the number n minus 2, and when fourth place is filled up, the number will be n minus 3. So there is a gap 1. So when rth place is filled, the number of ways will be n minus r minus 1, right? So total number of, by the theory of counting, the total number of which is represented by NPR, the total number of permutation, and the value will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 up to n minus r minus 1. So this formula is very large or very to calculate, it is very difficult to calculate. So we have to compress it in a small formula. Now, so we can write it in the following manner as n minus r minus 1. Now, the followed term will be n minus r, one term will be expressed. So we multiple extra product form, which is n minus r minus 1 up to 4, 3, 2, 1. This is an decreasing order of numbers, successive numbers, decreasing order, decreasing natural numbers. So when n is an integers, then the number will be decreased as minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, which will be stopped at 4, 3, 2, 1 up to 1 times. So we have a multiple extra terms, which is n minus r minus 1, these terms. So we divide to fix the numbers, we have to divide the extra numbers up to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now see the expression above, which is the multiple of successive order, continued multiple of successive order from 1, 2, 3, 2 up to n, which is represented as n factorial, right? We have seen that in the factorial section. Now also the number below are the product from 1, 2, 3, 4 to n minus r times. So this will be written as n minus r factorial. So NPR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, right? Now if r equals to n, and which gives the formula 2 when all the numbers are taken, thus the permutation of n distinct things taken all at a time is n factorial. That means in the above formula, if we put or if we replace r by n, then which will be given npn. Now npn equals to n factorial by n minus n factorial from the above formula. Now n minus n will be 0, then n factorial by 0 factorial, we known as 0 factorial equals to 1, thus n factorial. Thus this gives the second formula, that the number of permutation of n distinct things taken all at a time is n factorial, right? Now the third formula states that the number of permutation of n different objects taken are at a time if the repetition allowed. Now when the repetition allowed, the permutation is given, but the distinct permutation will be, which will be comes from the fundamental theory of counting, which will be n to the power r. Now n is the number of things and r is the number of things taken at a time, right? Which can be represented at the number of place. N things is putting r different places and arranged it. So the required permutation will be n to the power r, the number of things to the power number of position. Okay. Now fourth formula. What is fourth formula? The fourth formula is tells that the number of permutation of n different objects which is no repetition. Repetition is not allowed. Taken are at a time when m particular things or objects are to be always included. Now we have to find a permutation, number of permutation or number of arrangement where a certain number of particular things will always be included. Okay, so here n things are given. N things are given. We have to take r things at a time. At a time. So here are r places, right? 1, 2, 3 up to r. Now as the m things always included, right? Where m things are always included, তাহলে m things can be taken from n things and placed it in r places. Now m things can be placed in r things. Here r places. Here r places is given and the number of things is which is small from r, right? So m things can be placed in r things as rpm is. Okay, now in rpm we can place the three numbers. As the numbers is placed, then say 1, 2, 3 places the three m numbers are placed 1, 2, 3 up to ধরো m আবার ডট ডট করে up to r আছে. Then when the m things placed, then remaining places will be r minus m remaining places, and remaining things will be n minus m remaining things or remaining object. তাহলে r minus x remaining places and n minus m remaining things. Okay, so n minus m remaining things can be placed in r minus m remaining places in r minus m p n minus m. The total number of permutation will be by fundamental theory of counting or fundamental statement of counting. The total number of ways will be multiplied. Okay, hence total number of permutations of n different things taken are at a time, of which m particular thing is always included, is this. Okay, now next part is, and when m particular thing does not occur. তাহলে m particular thing does not occur. Here m particular thing always occur. এটা হচ্ছে always occur. When m particular thing does not occur. M particular thing does not occur mean m particular thing does not included in the permutation. Then the total number of things will be or object will be n minus m, and places is r. So record permutation will be by the first formula n minus m p r. Okay, right? And last formula is the number of permutation of n things, not all distinct, taken all at a time. When p of the things are one kind, same, and q of the things are another kind, r of the things are third kind, the rest are all different, is n factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial, multiple হবে. Why? As the numbers of things are same or looks alike, some numbers of things alike, then as an example, let's see O and O. It a first place, it a second place. Now two place and two things which is alike, O and O. Now if we interchange these two numbers, will be O and O, right? So the first arrangement 00 and the second arrangement is also 00, but they are not distinct or does not look different. So two arrangement can be say as one. So when two things are alike or three things alike, some of the things are alike, then the permutation between them does not included in the arrangement or in the calculation. So we have to divide the permutation between them, the number of permutation of themselves. Okay, the number of permutation among themselves will be divided by. So as the first things is alike of q times or p times, then p factorial will be divided and q things will be also divided, and r things as third kind which will be divided. So the required number of permutation will be n factorial by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial. Okay, so here are the total 5 formula. By this 5 formula we can complete or we can solve some example. Let us see the first example, which is given. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1 to 9? Now 1 to 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the digits which are known, if repetition of the digit is not allowed. As the repetition is not allowed, then the total number of digits are 9, 1 to 9. The total number of digits is 9, and we have to find a 4-digit number. Now 4-digit numbers, to form a 4-digit numbers, there are total 4 places, and we have to put 9 digits taken 4 at a time. In how many ways? So since the repetition are not allowed, so we have to select any 4 digits from the digits 1 to 9. Hence the required number of 4 digits number which can be found from the formula 1 is 94. All are distinct since. So 9 factorial by the formula 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial, 9 factorial by 5 factorial. So the calculation is shown, but you can put it in the calculator and find the value 3024. Now the second example is given. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word Sunday? Okay, the letter of the words are from Sunday are SUNDAY, which are all different. Okay, now so we can form words from the letter of the words which is 6, and we have to form a word which is 6 letters word. So from the second formula, the number of permutation of n things taken n at a time. Here the number of permutation of 6 letters taken 6 at a time, which is 6p6, thus given by 6 factorial. 6p6, we know that 6p6 equals to 6 factorial, which is 720. Okay, now example 3 says that what is it? How many 3 digits number can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 if the repetition allowed? Now this type of question is already solved from the section or from the first video. You can see that the even numbers. Okay, now here are 3 digits numbers can be formed, which is represent 3 places. As you can see, 3 places. Okay, but the digits are 4 digits. The 4 digits and 3 places. Okay, as the repetition of the digits allowed, so if we consider the first place, then first place can be filled up by 4 digits. Also second place can be filled up 4 digits as the repetition allowed, and also third place can be filled up by 4 digits. Thus the required number of permutation will be 4 into 4 into 4, which is 4 cube. And also from the formula 3 we see that when repetition allowed, the number of things to the power number of places. Here number of things is 4 and number of places is 3. Thus 4 cube equals to 64. Okay. Now for example 5, now for example of formula 5, now we I didn't give a example of 4. I will give it later. Now example of formula 5 is how many ways of 6 English, 4 Sanskrit, 5 Hindi books be arranged in a bookshelf. Now 6 English books are key all alike, also 4 Sanskrit book are alike, and 5 Hindi book all alike. Now if we placed it in a bookshelf, then total number of book will be 6 plus 4 plus 5, which is 15. Okay, but of these 15 books, 6 books are alike of first kind, 4 books are alike of second kind, and 5 books are alike of third kind. Then by the theory or by the formula 5 which is given, if the required number of arrangement will be 15 factorial by the numbers which are alike. Okay, 6 factorial into 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Now the numbers of this calculation, the calculation will be very large. I didn't have a calculator, so you guys find it. Okay, then